Investing made easier. There are many ways to do that. With so many product updates and enhancements, what is the latest that our active investors like you should pay attention to this time round? Brand new backdrop, brand new enhancements. Welcome to Investing Explained, where we make your money work harder for you. With the latest Fed announcement of rate cuts and election revelations, some of you are still looking at how you can diversify further or utilize potential opportunities within the US market. What if I told you we've got new and improved tools to help you with that? In this episode, it's about the enhancements we've made in the app, including a brand new desktop version, Moomoo NX, to improve the entire experience of using the app while trading on your computer. We've also listened closely to you, your concerns, and take your feedback seriously. So stay for the entire episode to find out how we address them. Want to know what they are? Hear directly from our trading representative. Let's go, Juncheong.
That's right, Olivia. We're happy to announce a feature that you, our dear investors, have been waiting for. The Dividend Reinvestment Plan, also known as DRIP. DRIP allows investors to automatically reinvest cash dividends received from owning stocks or other securities back into additional shares of the same investment, rather than receiving the dividends as cash payouts. These reinvestments can compound over time, potentially increasing the investor's holdings. To access DRIP, open your Moomoo app, click on Accounts, click on More. You'll be able to find DRIP in the Trade segment. Inside the DRIP feature, you will be able to see the list of counters that you can enable DRIP with, as well as the trade history.
Perfect, Juncheong. DRIP is a powerful tool that may help you grow your portfolio automatically, allowing you to potentially maximize the power of the compounding effect of dividends, particularly if you're a long-term investor or advanced investor. Certainly check this first new feature out. Love the new announcement. What about improvements, Juncheong? How can our active traders utilize these improved tools to allow them to navigate the US market more effectively and efficiently?
On the topic of trading, we have introduced two new enhancements for you when you do your trades. When performing any trades, you were previously only able to select day or good till cancelled orders which last 90 natural days in their time in force. But now, we have enhanced it and introduced good till date. You can now select a specific date that you want your order to last till. And this is especially useful to those investors who want their orders to end before major economic announcements, such as earnings or the US Federal Reserve's FOMC meetings. Another enhancement we have made is our all-new market on close orders in the US markets. This order type allows you to close your position without the need to monitor the market as well, and to ensure that you're not holding the position overnight. This order type is especially crucial for us in Asia trading the US market, as we are not able to effectively monitor the market every single night. So, to access both good till date and market on close orders, select any counter in the US market, click on time in force and the order types to see them on the latest version of the Moomoo app.
That's excellent. Remember, check out the good till date and market on close orders, especially if you're in Asia trading the US market. Be sure to cover all grounds. Next, want to find out which primary feedback we've implemented lately via your emails? Take it away, Juncheong.
In our previous episodes, we have mentioned that you have to send an email to our dealings department to either lapse or early exercise your long option contracts. And thank you. Many of you have given feedback on the hassle of sending the email. We value your feedback and have now introduced an in-app method for all users to lapse or exercise your long option contracts. To access this, go back to your Moomoo app. Click on Accounts. Click on More. Under the Trade segment, you will see Option Exercise. While investors are free to select any options to lapse or exercise, exercising options will require you to have sufficient buying power. And if you do not have sufficient buying power, your exercise instruction will be rejected. You can also see the exercise records in the same page, and if you have any records that have failed, you will be able to see the failure reasons as well.
This is great. Keep leaving your comments, questions, and emails for our team so that they can continue listening to your feedback to improve your experience and use of the app in every possible way. Lastly, we understand a lot of you also trade on the Moomoo desktop version. It's time for a brand new total revamp. That's right, we're introducing Moomoo NX, a complete refresh way of using the Moomoo app on the desktop, improving your entire experience. Let's show them what it's all about, Juncheong.
Welcome to the new Moomoo NX platform. Moomoo NX is a revamped and improved Moomoo desktop app for our users. All the functions and features previously available on our Moomoo desktop is available on our brand new Moomoo NX with a greater emphasis on UI. You will now have a first glance view of all options traded, the IV changes, the expected move, all in the Moomoo NX platform. Firstly, go to our official Moomoo download page. Scroll over to Windows or Mac and download the new NX version. Let's dive straight into our options chain. In the options chain, you will now have data on IV and EM right at the expiration date, and important data that many users have feedback on. Let's go over to Custom, where you can customize your UI based on your liking. On the default Customize page, click on Options Trading. Over here, you have a section where users are now able to sort options based on their volumes, IV, or even price changes. There are lots to explore in our new Moomoo NX platform, so definitely give it a try. Back to you, Olivia.
Exactly. Moomoo NX is the next generation of the user interface and experience. Overall, it's about customizing your own trading experience to maximize productivity for yourselves. Certainly build your own bespoke dashboard with over 25 panel components, flexible tab groupings, and smart interactions, all available in an ecosystem of advanced charting tools and intuitive options trading and analysis. More to come in the upcoming episodes, especially on the US market. We're excited for more, and we know you are too. We care for your financial well-being, so follow us. For more videos like these, remember to like and subscribe. Let's get to work, everyone. As always, have a profitable day.